Well, good morning everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and we're starting a little early. Sun's not even really up. I'll give you one guess who we're waiting on. That's right, Hank. We're heading out to the Lancaster, Texas airport today for a little car show. We're doing a car show and a Warbird parade. They call it a parade. They're gonna have actual like real aircraft there for you to look at, a little air show kind of thing. They actually take you on airplane rides for a fee. I don't know if we're gonna get to go. They kind of hinted we'd be able to get to go. We'll see if we get to do that. That would be epic. I mean, I'm sure we can pay to go, but we're heading down there here in just a few minutes and meeting up with just a small group today. We did a huge group last week. This week, not quite as big a group. Some guys are out of town, so on and so forth. And then a lot of people are just preparing for next week for our huge trip to North Carolina for the Tail of the Dragon. So anyways, once Hank gets here, we'll roll out and we'll see you there. Well, Hank made it. And check out the shoes this guy's got on today. I don't know what he's thinking. I don't know if he's got a Captain America theme going on or Spider-Man with this red shirt, blue shoe combo, but clearly Cammy did not pick his outfit for him today. But I'm surprised she let him leave the house looking like that. I'm gonna guess that she didn't see him before he left at 6:30 this morning. But dang, his car looks good. So we've made it to the event. As you can see behind me, it's pretty cool. Another T6 coming in right now. Maybe I should go park next to that one. So this is the commemorative Air Force Warbirds on Parade event that we're at. And they let us come in and park next to the aircraft. We got mine here next to this T6, Brian's down next to P-51, and Sarah's down there next to whatever that thing is, way down there. It's the shark mouth wrapped thing. It's kind of like a Cub, but it's not a Cub. I don't know what it is. But it's awesome. Coming in right here-ish. I know you can't see it on video yet, but it is coming in hot. Up close and personal. Thing is awesome, man. Don't get impaled. Thing is, it's way bigger sitting here than it looked when it was flying by. Imagine the heat that comes out of this thing.
Probably still warm.
Maybe.
It is.
Yeah?
A little fumey too.
Yeah, I bet. See, the crowd here is gathered. We got some skydivers, I believe. So they just flew over. Oh, there they go. Shit, missed it. Oh yeah, so they're paratroopers, so they have to, that's why they were saying they have to jump from there, because they're just floating this way. Anywhere over here. They're gonna land at the other end of the airport.
That's right.
That sucks. Well, that sucks. They jumped way over there, so like it's not like they're coming down over here. It's kind of lame. Well, that's kind of it for today. There was actually a car show here too. There's a bunch of cars. So I thought the airplanes were cooler. We see cars all the time. Rare opportunity to be able to be next to these aircraft this close. Walk around them, get in them. I mean, you can like, they got steps, you can get in there and get your picture taken. And of course, airplane rides. We didn't get to do any airplane rides, but we got another aircraft taking off over there. Yeah, definitely a cool thing. It goes to like 3, but it's Texas and it's really hot out here. So we're all about to head out. We're gonna do some kind of photo shoot here in front of the hangar, but I don't know if we're gonna coordinate that. Our photographer, Hank, has gone over there on the other side of the fence to the car show side, so I think we're just gonna call it quits and everybody's gonna head out because it's hot. I gotta get my pop-up torn down and back in its little case and get out of here. So we'll see you at the house. Oh, as this girl comes up trying to make all this noise. Are we gonna try to do the? I think we can real quick, yeah.
What a great car.
Okay, so we are gonna get the picture.
On this thing, it feels so good. Oh my god, they put out a lot of wind, more than you'd think.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep